How to upload photos to Google Drive from your iPhone. How do I mass add pictures to Google Drive from my iPhone? Shifting photographs out of your iPhone to Google Drive requires you to have the Google Drive app put in your iPhone in addition to have a Google account arrange. From there, it is a pretty easy course of as soon as you know the way. This is what to do. Be sure you're related to Wi-Fi earlier than importing a number of records data, as it may be slower and extra time consuming when utilizing mobile knowledge. In your iPhone, open the Google Drive app. Faucet the multicolored plus image. Faucet Pictures and Movies. Faucet Permit entry to all pictures. Browse your iPhone albums to seek out the photographs you want to add to Google Drive. To add a number of photographs directly, faucet every one. The photographs will now be uploaded to your Google Drive account. How do I mechanically sync pictures from iPhone to Google Drive? To mechanically have all of your iPhone photographs transfer to your Google Drive account, you have to use the Google Pictures app for iOS. This is the best way to set it up. Usually, when utilizing it for the primary time, Google Pictures mechanically backs up all of your photographs, but when it doesn't, observe these steps. Open Google Pictures. Faucet your profile picture. Faucet Google Pictures settings. Faucet Backup and Sync. Toggle Backup and Sync to on. Your photographs will now be uploaded to Google Drive. This might take a while relying on what number of photographs you have got in your iPhone. Can I add all my pictures to Google Drive? Sure, however there are some issues to contemplate earlier than doing so. Storage concerns. Google Drive gives as much as 15 gigabytes of space for storing without cost. For a lot of customers, their photograph assortment will exceed that quantity. It is doable to buy extra storage, however iOS customers could desire to pay for iCloud storage. It is price weighing up your choices. It takes time. With a big photograph assortment, it may well take a very long time for all records data to be uploaded. Be certain your cell phone is related to a Wi-Fi community reasonably, than counting on mobile knowledge for importing photographs. It is smart to make use of Google Pictures. Whereas you need to use Google Drive to manually add all photographs, it is a lot simpler to make use of Google Pictures and have it set as much as mechanically add all records data. You want a Google account. Not everybody has a Google account. They're massively helpful, however for those who do not have already got one, you will want to enroll to Google to make use of Google Drive or Google Pictures. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.